students, welcome to the online class. Today I will teach you practical of last headings of chapter 4. Students, in earlier video I taught you about copy and pasting and how to delete the text, how to use redo and undo command, and spelling and grammar in MS Word, and the last one is the science. So students, today we will see how these headings, how these options work in MS Word. So students, be ready and see carefully. First one is copy and pasting, students. First one is copy and pasting. So students, I will tell you, just like I select this line, I want to make it copy from one place to another place. Means I will copy this line from here to this place. So what I will do, first I will select, and in this copy and paste command it given 3 steps. Means using the 3 ways you can copy and paste, use your copy and paste command. I am going to use first command. See, after selecting, we will go in Home tab and then click on Copy command. Can you see the name? When you only touch using your mouse, only touch any command, it will show you the name. Like that, you can understand which command is this. So when you cannot find the copy command, you can do this. So I'll click on copy, and afterwards I click my mouse cursor here where I want to paste this line. So students, again I will click on paste command. This is your paste command. See what I have copied. Now it is here. This is the first one. Afterwards, second time, how will I do? First select the text and then using your keyboard press Ctrl plus C and then press Ctrl plus V. Using your keyboard, students, press Ctrl plus C and then press Ctrl plus V. The same work. Now third one. How we will do? Select the text and then right click on copy command and then press your mouse cursor here and then again right click and then click on paste command. Using the 3 ways, students, you can use copy and paste commands. Using these 3 steps, 3 ways. Now, next heading is deleting. Next heading is, students, deleting the text. Means how will you delete the text? Just select the text using the mouse. And which button of the mouse? Using the left button of the mouse. Select the text and then press the delete key. See students, this is your delete key. Delete key and see, it is deleted from your screen. Afterwards, next one is means this is the one way. Afterwards, just like if you want to select it and you want to delete it using the backspace key. See, if you press the backspace key, delete key, it is used for deleting. Now, next heading. Next heading is using the undo and redo command. About undo and redo, what I told you, just like anything deleted by mistake. Just like I have written this, and by mistake my this line delete. So what I will do? I will use undo command. This is your undo command. Can you see the name? Undo command. So I will press the undo button. It will come again. And what is the redo? Redo reverse the undo action. Means what undo done? Undo reverse the what I have deleted. Undo reverse what I have deleted. So what is the work of redo? Reverse the undo. See, this is redo. If I will click here, then it will delete it again. Means reverse the undo command. What I have deleted, that I can get back using the undo command. But if it is come again by mistake, something I have deleted, and if it is come using the undo command by mistake, so I can, in that situation, we can use redo command to reverse the undo action. Okay, students? Now, next heading. Yes, spelling and grammar. See, students, in this paragraph, can you see the green underline anywhere? Yes, here, 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 and here also. So, what I told you, what is the mean of green underline means? Green underline means here is something grammatical. Just you see. When I will right click on these headings, see, document. What is showing? What is showing? It is showing to put the full stop near the line. And afterwards, just like I have written the complete spelling wrong. See, I have deleted E between the complete. So means it is the wrong spelling. So students, see properly. When I will right click on this mouse, when I right click on this word using the mouse, so it will show you the correct way. It will show you the correct way, means red line means your spelling is wrong. So when you click on that particular word using the right button of the mouse, so it will give you the suggestions. So you can use this spelling at the place of this wrong spelling. So what is my spelling? First one. When I will select it, no. See, red underline is not here. Afterwards, so can you see this? This is your heading. Means right click on that red underline word or green underline word. It will give you the suggestions. What you will give you the perfect word. Okay. So students, the last one is of chapter 3rd heading is thesaurus. I told you in thesaurus, if we want synonyms and antonyms of any of the words, so we use thesaurus in MS Word. But how would you know from where we can find the synonyms and antonyms of any word? See carefully. If we want review, see, so what we have to do? We will go to the review tab. See students, we will go to the, where we will go and select the review tab. Click on the review tab and select the thesaurus option. See, here is the option name. Can you see? Review, different suggestions for the review. Afterwards, which word you want from this, you can click using your mouse. So students, this is all about today's video. Now your chapter 3rd over. Afterwards, I will give you exercise of chapter 3rd and question answer of chapter 3rd. And afterwards, as all of you know, from 1st of August, your examination will begin. So we will revise the first and second chapter. Thank you for today.